Weird noises from your engine? Here's what they mean. Main causes of strange engine noises. 1. Timing. Belt issues may produce a high-pitched squealing noise. A loose or worn belt can cause serious engine damage if it breaks. 2. Low or dirty engine oil. Increases friction and may cause knocking or ticking sounds. Lack of lubrication can damage internal engine parts. 3. Exhaust system problems can result in loud, rumbling, or popping sounds, often caused by a hole or loose connection in the exhaust system. 4th, worn piston rings or piston problems can create deep knocking or rattling noises from inside the engine, often indicates internal wear that requires serious repair. 5. Valve clearance issues produces a consistent ticking or tapping sound, usually more noticeable when the engine is cold. 6. Worn engine mounts can cause the engine to shake or thump. Noises are most noticeable when starting or stopping the engine. 7. Ignition system problems may cause popping or sputtering sounds. Faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or wiring can be the culprit. 8. Flywheel or clutch issues, manual transmission causes clunking or grinding noises when shifting gears. May also create vibrations while idling.